Are you struggling to fall asleep, tossing and turning with your mind racing through hundreds of thoughts? You are not alone. Millions struggle with insomnia. I'm Dr. Rani, and in this video, I'll guide you through a unique tapping technique paired with simple but powerful mantras. And this will help you calm your mind and finally get the deep, restful sleep you deserve. Intellectually, telling yourself to sleep doesn't work, does it? So this is why this form of body work can be extremely helpful. Let's get started. So let's start tapping on the carotid chop point. Even though I'm overwhelmed by my thoughts, I deeply and completely accept myself and how I feel. Even though I'm overwhelmed by my thoughts and struggling to sleep, I deeply and completely accept how I feel. Even though I desperately want to sleep and can't seem to get to sleep, I choose to deeply and completely accept myself. All these racing thoughts that keep me awake, I acknowledge the stress and anxiety when I lie in bed. And it's really hard. Intellectually, I know these thoughts are not real, but they appear so real. What if I can just observe them? What if I can allow myself to watch these thoughts as if they're thoughts? Just clouds of thoughts passing through. And allow these heavy thoughts to pass through. Recognizing they're just thoughts, although very powerful ones. What if I can allow myself to see beyond these thoughts? Allow them to pass like clouds. And with each breath, I choose to feel lighter and more at peace. Take a deep breath in. Hold and release. And just see what's happening within you. Sometimes just an acknowledgement of how we feel can allow us to relax. And sometimes just one round of tapping might be helpful. And sometimes we might need to do a few rounds, and that's okay. So after you have done the first round of tapping, you can close your eyes and just see whether your thoughts have settled down. And you can see that this is a very generic tapping. And I would say that at nighttime, before bed, you don't want to get into the specifics of what's really bothering you. That kind of work needs to be done in the daytime. And nighttime, it is more a gentle reminder of the truth of our experiences. And in other videos, I've talked about how the mind works. So I'm not going to repeat myself, but an understanding that the more we are aware of the true source of our experiences, and we don't scare ourselves with our experiences, we don't make them wrong, we don't judge them. We know that all of our experiences are internally generated. We feel a sense of okayness, even when we are not feeling okay. And I know that from my clients and my patients, one of the things that goes against us getting a good night's sleep is putting too much effort in trying to fall asleep and trying to be in control. So let's do a round of tapping around letting go of the need to be in control, trying to get to sleep, trying to get somewhere, and just allow ourselves to be in the moment. Even though I really want to fall asleep, but the more I try to force myself to sleep, the less likely I seem to be to fall asleep. And it's a conundrum. But I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I so long to fall asleep. And the harder I try, the less likely that sleep comes to me, which makes me upset. I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I'm exhausted, my body is very, very tired, and my mind is racing. I'm trying my best to sleep, and I can't seem to fall asleep. I'm open to the possibility that I can just surrender in the now and let go of trying to fix my sleep just for now. And I deeply and completely love and accept myself. I trust that my inner wisdom guides me to peace. I trust that my inner wisdom will allow me to get quiet. Maybe I don't need to work so hard to fall asleep. Maybe I can be kinder to myself. Maybe I don't need to beat myself up for not falling asleep. Maybe the harder I try, the harder it is for me to fall asleep. Maybe I can just surrender to the now. And just observe all the thoughts racing through my head, racing through my mind. I don't need to judge them. I don't need to believe them. I can just observe them. It's a choice. And I choose to be at peace. Trusting that when I don't try, Sleep will come to me sooner rather than later. Touch the point just under the little finger and the ring finger. Take a deep breath in. Hold and release. And just check where your body is, where your mind is. Just close your eyes and see what's happening internally. And connect to an inner sense of tranquility. When you allow your thoughts to just be and just observe them without any judgment, or at least less judgment, and be kinder to yourself and accept yourself no matter what, you will find that you will drift off to sleep sooner rather than later. And I find this more effortless, and this is a very beautiful way of allowing the body to rest. Now we're going to move on to positive affirmation. You can call it a choice tapping, because ultimately we do have choice over our emotional states. And what I would say to you is that these positive affirmations are choices you could make rather than beat yourself up when you can't fall asleep. And this is like a self-hypnosis. I love this. It's a sense of allowing. It's a sense of making peace with what is. So let's get started. Tapping on the top of the head. I allow myself to experience tranquility. With each tap, I release worry and embrace calm. My mind is quietening. My body is relaxing. I'm safe in this moment. I choose to trust my body's ability to relax. Every night, I find it easier to drift into deep, healing sleep. I choose to be grateful for the rest I receive, knowing I have the power to wake up refreshed. I'm calm, content, and ready for sleep. I choose to know that my body can relax. I choose to give my mind permission to relax. I choose to know I'm deeply okay. I choose to know my body and mind are fully ready for some deep restorative sleep. Deep breath in, hold, and relax. And finally, I will leave you with a very powerful mantra, a prayer that I have found and have helped many of my clients to use this affirmation, this mantra, as a prayer if you want to. And you can change the words if you want to. But this is the mantra. Divine love is doing its perfect work in me and through me now. I found this beautiful prayer in a book, and I have been using this myself, and I have also been using it with the tapping. And if you don't like the word love, you can replace that with energy, divine energy. If you love the word power more, then you can switch to divine power. So let's play with this and see what happens. And know that when you are lying with your eyes closed, You don't even need to do the physical tapping on the points. You can imagine that you are tapping on certain points in your body. So I could be in bed lying down with my eyes closed, and I could imagine tapping on the top of my head, then the beginning of the eyebrow, and I could just breathe. I don't even have to say anything. And you could just close your eyes and just repeat this mantra while you imagine yourself tapping or holding certain points in your body. So you can imagine yourself holding the top of your head. You can imagine touching the point, the beginning of the eyebrow, the side of the eyebrow, under the eye, under the nose, chin point, chest point. And as you are imagining yourself touch this point, also just breathe deeply. So it might go like this. So this is a variant of tapping called touching and breathing. So it's a very, very gentle, and you don't have to touch physically. Like I said, you could just visualize as if you are touching those points. So let's use the mantra, the prayer now through tapping. Let's try this. This is the final round. Divine love is doing its perfect work in me and through me now, so I can rest. I can go off to sleep. Divine love is doing its perfect work in me and through me now, so I can relax. I don't need to work hard. Divine energy is doing its perfect work in me and through me now, so that I can rest. I trust it's okay to rest, so that I can close my eyes and drift off to sleep. Breathe in and release. What's your experience of doing this tapping with me? I would love to know.